Welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Tonight, it is a scorcher. It is 36 degrees Celsius, which is 95, 98 degrees Fahrenheit. Not completely as hot as Vegas or some other places in British Columbia, but it is scorching hot. And Redline Sorority girls are holding a meet very close to home. Actually got a BMW driver behind me. Pops is coming with me to check out the meet. Gonna go show off the BMWs and hang out and have some father-son time with the cars and all the other car enthusiasts of Calgary. So let's head over there and go check out, see who's all showing up tonight. Those are some gorgeous wheels. We're here at the Redline meet with the girls. Everybody's starting to pull up. This wrap looks incredible in the sunlight. Dad in the M2. We got Stone. And there's Yolanda. But watch what it does. Diego in the M3. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, John's gonna put the M2 beside the M2. M2, M2, M3, M3. Check out this full Varus Type R. First one in the city. Look at that carbon. Big wing. That looks so awesome. What do you guys think of this? Super clean. Absolutely killer job. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think of the Type R. It looks absolutely killer. Got some more of the crews rolling up. It actually turned out to be a super good night. We got to take a moment to look at this A4 again. This is what a clean build looks like. Absolutely incredible. CS startup. Feels like. That was a really good meet. A lot of good people. Big shout out to my dad for coming to join us. I think he's enjoying himself. I think he's having a good time. Starting to meet a lot of new people, and it was a good crew tonight. Apart from that minor little accident with the taco truck driving over that little car, man, that was awful. Rip to that guy's car. I feel bad. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Just a great meetup as always. Good people, but super screaming hot. Still 31 degrees outside, and it's 9:30 at night. So hot, and the house is even hotter. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the vlog, please drop some good vibes down below. Hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified every time I upload a new video, as we like to just do a lot of Beamer content and car stuff around the city. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.